Today's video is a quick follow-up on that Milorganite app from 7 days ago. Help me build my channel by liking and subscribing, and also following me on Twitter, @DonsLawns1. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the video. You can see in this frame that there is some green up that had occurred from the Milo application. Obviously nothing extreme and not a whole lot of growth this week. We did have a little cold front blow in, but we did get lots of rain at the same time. So I attribute some of that green up to the rain and the iron in the Milo. I'd venture to say that there's a much larger amount of green up in my front yard than my backyard, and I would probably say that's because I had a heavier hand in the amount of Milo that I put down in the front compared to in the backyard. Some of that was my own user error in measurements and pouring the Milo. So in the future, I'm going to be more precise and use more of an exact measurement to determine how much Milo I'm putting down in each section. Trial and error, that's all you can do. Try something, figure out what works, figure out how to fix what doesn't. Thanks for watching.